Welcome to Edifo. Today I'm here with another SPSS tutorial. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate a very useful feature of SPSS called split file. So open your SPSS. Here I have already opened a database file called employee database. You can open here. This is a sample database available with the SPS installation. File, open, data. You can see it here. You can open this from this file root. Program file, IBM, SPSS, statistics 26, sample and English. Within that directory, we can see employee data.sav. Okay, open that database file. This is an employee database file. You can select the variable view. You can see different ID, gender, birth date, education, job category, salary beginning, job time, previous experience, minority. So these are the different variables in the database. This is the data view. This is the original view. Now we are using this facility, that is file split facility. You can use this facility in a multifaceted way. Because when we are analyzing this data, sometimes we want to split our data into different groups, or we can say different category on the basis of some analytical purpose. Now, this facility can be beneficial when we want to separate data into different groups based on some criteria and put them into separate tables and make comparisons. It is obvious that if we divide or group these data into different data subsets, it is beneficial for some type of data analysis procedures. For example, if you want to divide the data into male and female and make analysis, it is possible. If you want to divide the job category and make analysis, so this way you can divide the existing file into different groups or different categories and make different analysis. That is the main purpose of split file facility. Now we are going to split this file on the basis of gender. Here, gender male and female in the variable view. You can see here gender, F for female and M for male, because the data type is string. So we are going to divide the entire data file into two sets and make analysis. That is male and female. Okay. For this purpose, we want to split this file. You want to go to data menu, and here this is the split file. Select that. You can see three options. Analyze all cases, do not create groups. This is the default one. Second one, compare groups. This is a second option in split file. We are divide the entire database into two sets on the basis of gender. So add this variable into groups based on window. Click this arrow. Already added. Now we are already added gender in this group. We are going to divide or split this entire file into two groups. Okay. So click OK. Nothing happened, but you can identify the status of the file. Here in the bottom status bar, you can see split by gender. Now the file is already split on the basis of gender and it is already sorted. You can see here F. Then you can see lower level M, already sorted. Now we are going to make an analysis whether this split is already executed or not. For that purpose, we are going to make a descriptive analysis on this database. For that, move to Analyze menu and Descriptive Statistics and select Descriptives. Okay, Analyze, Descriptive Statistics and Descriptives. Select this. We are going to analyze, for example, employee salary, current salary. Okay, add to it. We are going to make a descriptive analysis about current salary of the employees. So, select options, mean, standard deviation, minimum, maximum. We can also add sum here. Okay. So, whatever you want in the descriptive analysis statement, check it out and then click on continue. That's it. Then press OK. You can see separate. The entire file split into two sections. Male number 216, female number 258. Minimum 15,750. But the male salary minimum is 19,650. Maximum sum. The total salary paid for female and total salary paid for male. Here mean value, average, standard deviation. Here the female standard deviation is very low compared to male standard deviation. If you want this type of grouping and if you want to analyze on that base of grouping, you can use this facility. Okay, so without grouping, what happened? We want to check it out. So move to database. We need to remove the split file facility. So data, split file, analyze all cases. Okay, click OK. Now that facility is off, you can see in the status bar, nothing seen here. So we want to analyze descriptive statistics, descriptives. The same thing we are going to analyze current salary. Okay, click OK. You see, there is no separation. So if you want to directly analyze the descriptive statistics without splitting this file, you can get a summarized descriptive statistics. That is current salary, minimum, maximum, sum, mean, standard deviation. But here, after splitting the file, you can get two groups on the base of grouping characteristics. We are group the data on the base of gender. So here we have two groups and separate descriptive statistics for each groups. Here you see, without split the file, you can get exclusive summarization. Get it? So now this way you can do one more thing. One more option in data, split file facility. Move to split file, organize output by groups. Organize output. Now we are going to split the compare groups into two different tables. That facility is called organize output by groups. The same variable that we are going to select gender, then OK. Now nothing happened. You can see here split by gender. Now we are going to analyze the same descriptive statistics. Select descriptives. I'm not going to change anything. Current salary, then options, the same, mean, sum, standard deviation, minimum, maximum, then continue, then click OK. You see, different tables, gender female, gender male. This table, the first table, split into two separate tables. This is another feature of split file facility. Now you just copy it and paste it into your report. Here if you want the both grouped in a single table, you can use the first option. Then copy and paste it into your report. This is the facility of split file. Now we are going to delete all this. Now we are going to split file on the base of more than one variable. How it is possible? Look here. Data, split file, gender, and I am going to select one more variable, that is employee category. Okay, employee category, and compare groups. First we check it, compare groups. So gender and employee category. So we are going to group these data on the base of two variables. First one gender and second one employee category. Okay, then press OK. Here you can see in the status bar split by gender and job cat. Now we are going to conduct the same descriptive statistical analysis. That is on the base of salary. So move to analyze, descriptive statistics, then descriptives. I'm not going to change anything here. Same as default because we have already added the current salary in the variable window. Select options, mean, sum, standard deviation, minimum, maximum. Say, if you want more, you can select this. Then continue, then click OK and see what happened. You see? This type of analysis is very useful. You just see here. Male, female, first group. Okay? Second job category. Male, clerical, manager. Male, clerical, custodial, manager. Alright? Then current salary. Clerical. Minimum, maximum, sum, mean, standard deviation. Here, next employee category, manager. Female manager. How many? 10. Minimum, maximum, sum, mean, standard deviation. Here another category, female. Right? Male. Here male custodial is there, but here there is no female custodial employee category. You can't see any female custodial employee in this organization. Here you can see 3 different categories. Male clerical, you can see the details here. Male custodial, you can see here, and a male manager, you can see here how many numbers. So this way, you can make the grouping of file on the base of more than one variable. Now, we are going to split data on the second option. Split data. Organize output by groups. Okay. So, we will get 5 different tables. Look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want this output into different 5 tables, you can opt customize output groups. Okay. So, click OK. So, move to analyze, descriptive statistics, then descriptives. So, I'm not going to change anything, then click OK. You see, this is the console table. Now, different groups. This is gender clerical. This table representing gender manager. This is gender male clerical. This is female manager and a female clerical. Here male custodial, male manager. So total 5. Female clerical 1, female manager 2, male clerical 3, male custodial 4, male manager 5. 1 female clerical, 2 female manager, 3 male clerical, 4 male custodial. There is no custodial in the female group. Then the last one, 5th one, male manager. So this way, you can effectively use this split file for your data analysis purpose. And this tool is very useful tool in SPSS. You can use this tool for different purpose. So practice it, open that file. So apply different criteria for splitting this file. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please click that like button. If you are a first visitor of this channel, please subscribe my channel and please press that bell icon for future updates. So thank you for watching. See you on next video. Thank you.